In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at herbs. There are many varieties of herbs, all with unique growing seasons. So different types of fresh herbs will be available at your market anytime from the spring through the fall. The two main categories of herbs are hardy herbs and tender herbs. Hardy herbs are those such as rosemary, oregano, and thyme. Hardy herbs have thicker stems and leaves, are sturdy to the touch, and easy to work with. If you're not using them right away, wash hardy herbs in a bowl of water and shake dry. Next, place them on a towel and roll them up. Then store them in your crisper drawer where they'll stay for 2 to 3 weeks. Tender herbs are more delicate, with slender stems and fragile leaves. Types of tender herbs include cilantro, parsley, dill, and basil. To store your tender herbs, treat them as you would cut flowers. Cut off the bottoms, place them in a jar with about a ½ inch of water, and cover the herbs with a plastic bag. Then place the jar on the door of your fridge. They can stay like this for 2 to 3 weeks. One exception to this is basil, which doesn't like the cold. So cut off the basil bottoms and place them in water. But store basil on your kitchen counter, out of direct sunlight. Both hardy and tender herbs can add flavor to many meals, whether you're preparing a chicken, making soup, roasting vegetables, or creating salads. So feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page for more ways to use herbs, and have fun cooking!